Central Columbia Team Manufacturing.
We're here at AutoNeum
To learn what's so cool about manufacturing.
Come on in!
AutoNeum creates thermal management solutions for vehicles. Their innovative products and technologies make vehicles quieter, safer, and lighter. AutoNeum is the global market and technology leader in acoustic and thermal management and is represented by 25 countries.
Here at the Bloomsburg plant, carpets are manufactured for major automotive companies. Let's take a closer look at AutoNeum.
So what is your favorite part about your job?
Learning new things every day. As I said, all the new technology coming in, you're always learning.
The manufacturing field, when I first started, what I did not realize was the opportunities that are here. There's 600 or 700 different jobs. So there's a wide variety of different things you could do.
Manufacturing manufactures lives, builds lives, gives jobs, opportunity. It's just what this country was built on.
The negative stigma around manufacturing, because in this day and age, everyone thinks, hey, I got to go to college, I got to get a degree, or I'm not going to get a good job. That's not the case.
So I always had a dream of being an engineer. That was my goal. I went to school to be an engineer, and then in between my juniors and senior year of college, I took a job here as a summer job, and I never left.
So Brady, what did you like about AutoNeum?
I really like the color of the carpets.
Brady, is that all you noticed?
Well,
Didn't you guys notice the family atmosphere?
I did.
My favorite part of the job, I would have to say the people I work with. If you work in a place long enough, it's a family. You know, you get to know people, their likes, their dislikes, and actually you spend more time with these people here than you do with your own family sometimes. So I would have to say the people.
I enjoy working at AutoNeum.
I like working at AutoNeum.
I enjoy working at AutoNeum.
I love working at AutoNeum.